In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral AI car modification videos for free using Google Flow. First, open your browser and go to Google Flow. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account and choose Create to start a new project. This gives you a clean workspace where you can build your transformation from scratch. Next, pick the car you want to modify. Before uploading anything, make sure you have a clear, high-quality photo where the entire car is visible. This matters because the better your starting image is, the easier it is for the AI to understand the vehicle's shape, proportions, and key details. Upload that image into Flow and use it as your reference or starting frame. Now it's time to create the modified version of the car. Choose the image generation option, then describe exactly how you want the car to look. You can use prompts like transforming it into an aggressive futuristic supercar, adding a wide body kit, custom rims, lowered suspension, and LED headlights, while still keeping the original car's body shape and identity. Generate the image, then make a few variations so you can compare results and choose the version that looks the strongest. Once you have your original image and your modified image, turn them into a video. Choose frames to video, add the original car image as the starting frame, and if possible, add the modified car image as the ending frame. Then enter a motion prompt that explains how the transformation should feel. A cinematic push toward the vehicle, realistic mechanical changes, dramatic lighting, reflections, and smooth motion usually work very well. After that, generate the video. To make the transformation more dramatic, create several versions instead of settling for the first one. Try different camera movements like a slow push-in, a 360-degree move, a low-angle tracking shot, or a fast cinematic zoom. Keep the car in roughly the same position between frames because that usually helps the transformation look smoother and more believable. Then choose the best result. For short-form platforms, make the video vertical if that option is available, use a 9:16 layout, keep the car centered, and double check that important details are not cut off. To make the video feel more viral, begin with the original car and quickly reveal the upgraded version. Add short on-screen text like, POV, you gave your car to an AI, followed by, wait for the transformation. Then export the AI video and open it in CapCut or another editor. Add a trending style beat, along with whooshes, engine revs, transformation sounds, and an impact effect. Sync the biggest sound hit right at the main transformation moment. Finally, end with a quick before and after comparison showing before AI modified and after. Export in 1080p if available. Keep the edit short and fast-paced. Add a strong caption and post it with relevant hashtags.